Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and I hope you stay. Today, I'm bringing to you an easy chocolate chip cookies recipe. Without wasting time, let's just get started. First, I'll get a big enough bowl and come in with about 200 grams of butter. I'll then add about 50 ml of full cream milk. Next, I'll put it in the microwave and melt up the butter. I'll come in with about 4 tablespoonfuls of sugar, some vanilla essence, break in 2 eggs. Next, I'll come in with about 100 grams of rice flour, then 200 grams of regular flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda. I'll go ahead, mix everything up to form a dough. Finally, I'll come in with some chocolate chips and give it a final mix. I'll get my baking pan lined with some baking paper. Now I'll get a small piece of the dough, roll it into a ball, and put it on the baking paper. After I'm done, I'll let this rest in the fridge for about 30 minutes. After which I'll put it in a preheated oven about 150 degrees Celsius. I'll bake this for about 20 minutes. So it's been after about 20 minutes and our cookies are ready. As you can see, they look good and they definitely taste delicious. You should give this a try. It is easy. It doesn't need a lot of ingredients and it definitely gonna come in handy during breakfast time. So if you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends. And don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye.